you creative in the Midlands? Whether you design for church, business, or just for fun, there's a new way to bring ideas to life. Faster, smarter, and with way less stress. In 2026, I'm hosting a hands-on AI workshop for creatives. A full day of discovering how to use AI for images, video, and brainstorming. No tech jargon, no experience needed. If you can type on a keyboard, you can do this. You'll learn how to turn ideas into visuals, concepts into campaigns, and unlock the creative potential sitting right at your fingertips. Okay, well, that's enough of the imposters. You're speaking to the real junior Bucknor now. And if you are legitimately interested in enhancing and learning new skills as it pertains to AI, then click the link in the description. There is no cost to register your interest, and before tickets go on sale, you will get an email to alert you that the tickets are about to go on sale, so that way you're less likely to miss out because places are limited. So until then, I've got to be off. I've got things to do.